A day in the life of Cristiano Ronaldo and his wife's mansions. Cristiano Ronaldo, the richest athlete in the world, owns some really impressive properties along with his wife. The player's luxurious lifestyle can be depicted by these gorgeous, well-furnished millions of dollar homes. Whether it's the holiday home in Marbella or his apartment in Trump Tower, Manhattan, each one of his houses is more luxurious than the other. Today we're going to take you on a tour of Ronaldo and his wife's houses worth 43 million euros. Join us as we take a tour of the beautiful mansions, how the family spends its time there, and what is it that makes the million-euro mansions so luxurious. Who doesn't dream of living in a house where they can have every necessity of life and every luxury they can afford? And you dream even more big when your childhood is spent in a very small home. The life of the Portuguese legend began in a humble apartment in Madeira, where he, in a small place, dreamed big. The player and his partner, Georgina Rodriguez's lives were almost the same before they got to fame. And as Gio says, dreams do come true, and they did for both of them. Now the couple owns more than 7 luxurious houses in different places. This beautiful house that looks straight out of one's dreams is located on Spain's amazing Costa del Sol coastline. The player reportedly bought this mansion for around $1.4 million. The luxurious house was built by Otero Group, which is a well-known luxury villa developer. Just the association of Otero Group to the house makes one believe that this house is going to have all the modern facilities like LED driveways, built-in home theaters, or whatnot. We'll get to the inside later, but the location itself is for which one could die. This luxurious Marbella house is on a glittering coastline with unparalleled views of the Mediterranean Sea. The stunning villa is a contemporary structure with clean modern lines and a stark white facade. The exquisitely crafted residence has a wine cellar, a fully equipped gym, a home theater, a spacious master suite with views of the sea, and expansive panoramic windows. The home's interior decor, which includes gray furnishings, is meant to contrast with the stark white walls and large glass windows. The big top-to-bottom glass doors and windows on practically every wall of the house provides a stunning view of the Mediterranean Sea, starting with the living room, which includes a gorgeous yet cozy set of sofas with matching cushions and a white marble table in the center. A wooden side table and chairs are included to complete the sofas. The striking white lamps hanging from the top give the living room a cozy appearance. Whatever side you face, you'll be welcomed with a mesmerizing view of the outside. The breathtaking view is also shown from the floating wooden staircase. There is an open kitchen adjacent to the living room where CR7 and Gio enjoy preparing meals for the kids. 6 suede gray chairs surround a white marble dining table in the kitchen, which contributes to the room's ambience. The furnishings in the rooms are gray, just like the rest of the house. You can have a truly comfortable night's sleep in the huge bed with the spherical lamps on the side tables. A huge walk-in closet is another feature of the spacious master suite. The room is also open to the outside, giving a luxurious view when you wake up. A huge glass window and an all-white exterior of the bathroom are unlike anything anyone has ever seen. The property's outside has a nearly flawless garden, an infinity-edge pool, a sunken fire pit, and of course a lovely comfortable outdoor area. And did I tell you or not, Ronaldo's this spectacular villa is located right next to the home of UFC star Conor McGregor. The community in which the two sportsmen reside is also known as the Superstars Cul-de-sac. This villa shows that Ronaldo's heart still lies in Spain. The now multi-millionaire player wasn't born into the most luxurious of circumstances, but still battled hard to one day play for Manchester United, Real Madrid, and his country. As a kid, Cristiano grew up in a very small place in Madeira. He once took his son Ronaldo Jr. to his childhood home to show him how he used to live. Explaining Jr.'s reaction, Ronaldo said, "I went with Paxiao and Cristianino, and we entered the room where I had stayed. My son turned to me and said, 'Papa, did you live here?' He could not believe it. They think everything is easy in this world. The quality of life, the houses, the cars, the clothes, they think that it all just falls into their lap. That is why I try to instill in my son, including when I do events in schools, I try to convey that these things don't come with having talent alone, but with hard work and dedication. I think you can achieve everything you want to do." Now, on the same island, Ronaldo owns a 7-story mansion. This other mansion was finished in the summer of 2019. It was a warehouse where the local Madeira newspaper was based that the former Manchester United number 7 converted into a luxury abode. He bought the place in 2015 near the luxury Savoy Hotel and located at the entrance to the port of Funchal from local designer Nini Andrade Silva for an undisclosed sum. It is believed Ronaldo splurged £7 million to recover the dream home with Georgina. The mansion's breathtaking sea view, as well as its amenities, which include 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, a jacuzzi, and a football field, have captured the attention of many. He moved in with his mother and brother Hugo in 2019 after construction was finally finished and the building was repaired. Hugo now runs the adjoining CR7 museum. On the roof, there is a swimming pool, which we have been seeing in quarantine. Georgina Rodriguez, Ronaldo's partner, reportedly fell in love with the romantic retreat when she saw the property's sea view. The rooftop pool has a wonderful view of the Atlantic Ocean, despite the fact that it doesn't seem to be very private. There are also 2 gyms for the player to work out and keep his body in shape. The beautiful scenery, sea air, and view of Funchal's cruise port are undoubtedly preferable to the Ronaldo family's Turin home for serenity and comfort. Another one of Ronaldo's villas is located in the affluent neighborhood of La Finca, north of Madrid, Spain. The home has been owned by the footballer for a while. There are 32,000 square feet of additional green space surrounding the 8,600 square feet of living area. Architectural Digest noted that the home has an indoor hot tub and gym. While watching the large flat-screen TV with their kids in their living room, he and his partner, Georgina Rodriguez, enjoy the most pleasure. There is a sizable terrace and a pool outside. Additionally, Ronaldo has access to a private football field where he can practice whenever he wants. Ronaldo and his family also have a villa on the outskirts of Turin, Italy. Well, make it 2 villas. With floor-to-ceiling windows and private entrances, the separate villas each provide stunning views of the city. Additionally, there is a gym and an indoor pool on this property too. Cristiano Ronaldo also has a 3-bedroom apartment in the Trump Tower. However, he recently sold his condo. The athlete invested $18.5 million in his apartment in 2015. He attempted to sell it for half that amount 4 years later, but when it didn't sell, he reduced the price to $7.99 million. It sold in late 2021 for an even cheaper price, according to Realtor.com. Luxury real estate expert Dolly Lenz, CEO and founder of Dolly Lenz Real Estate, has given her thoughts on why Ronaldo had to suffer such a loss on the condo. He certainly paid way too much. So that answers part of the question, then the perfect storm of COVID and bad luck, she said, noting that New York real estate brokers were locked down and unable to show the property. All these houses show that dreams do come true, but with hard work and faith. Cristiano Ronaldo is without a doubt one of the greatest soccer stars on the planet. The athlete's name is often mentioned as the best to ever play the game. His partner Gio, who is a model and fashion icon, helps the player turn these massive houses into homes. In the Netflix reality show I Am Georgina, one can take a deep look into their lives. Which of these mansions did you like the most? Share with us in the comments section below. And if you liked our content, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Until next time, have a great day, everyone.